Step 1, onion, garlic, sauteing, Instapot. On. Step 2, vodka. You need vodka for penne vodka. Letting that cook off the alcohol. The only thing I added was a little bit of salt to the onions. Ooh, that smells like alcohol coming off. Step 3, 2 frozen, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Step 4, 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Empty. I'm going to stir it up and then set my timer, and I'll bring you back when I do that. Now I'm going to turn off the saute function, turn it on to manual. Laura Vitale said 35 minutes on this open stove, so I'm going to make mine 15 minutes under pressure, high pressure. I've got my vent in the closed position so it can come to pressure. I'll bring you back when that's done. Got the pasta in the water. It's got until 6:10 and it'll be done. It's already been going for 3 minutes. I'll check it at 6:08, see where we're at. Instapot's done. I did want to show you guys this because I didn't do this earlier, but penne or vodka chicken is supposed to have red chili flakes in the recipe. You can see them there, and some seasoning. Laura Vitale's recipe said oregano and dried basil. I didn't have any dried oregano. I know, sacrilege, but I had dried basil, but then I also had Italian seasoning. So I used some of that, and I put it in at the end. Oops, sorry about that. I put it in at the end, mainly because I forgot to do it in the beginning, and then I started thinking about it. I'm like, it's probably going to be smarter anyway to put it in the end, because putting things under pressure intensifies flavor. So I'll let you guys know how it tastes. I also have to add a little bit of cream here in just a second, so come right back. Here goes my whipping cream, heavy cream. Ooh, isn't that pretty? Turns out really nice. Laura Vitale, you're such an inspiration. I took your recipe and I put it under pressure. Okay, here goes the pasta, and those were Barilla veggie pasta, and according to the the front cover, it was tomato and carrots. So let's add that penne to my sauce. Alright, so unfortunately I didn't have any more Parmigiano. I only had an Italian blend in the fridge. But you know what? Work with what you got. And you hear that just bubbling away? Ooh, look how creamy and gooey and ooey that's getting. Oh, looks really good and healthy. The worst part of the whole meal in here is that itty bit of heavy cream I put in. And really, I didn't put in the full amount that the recipe called for. I put in about a quarter or less, a quarter cup or less in here. And, oops, sorry, I don't know what I was looking at there. And that was less than half a cup of, and I don't even think it was a quarter cup of cheese that I just put in there. This is going to be good. And healthy pasta, too. All right, I'll get the sun up here, the official taste tester, so we can see how this fares. All right, and he just tried the penne chicken vodka recipe that I converted using the Instant Pot that Laura Vitale posted today. Ian, thumbs up or thumbs down? All right, see, there you go. Stamp of approval. Thanks.